You don't have to be loud to be unforgettable. Sometimes, it's the woman who says the least, who leaves the deepest impression. Have you ever met someone who didn't need to try hard, but you couldn't stop thinking about her? It wasn't just her looks, it was her presence. The way she moved, the way she looked at you, how she sat still in a noisy room, and how she never seemed rushed, yet somehow always felt in control. That's the art of silent attraction. And today I'm going to share 7 quietly powerful habits that give a woman that unforgettable, elegant glow. The kind that whispers old money confidence without ever needing to say a word. Hi, my loves, welcome back to Return to Elegance, where we blend feminine beauty, soft power, and timeless style. If you're on a journey to become the most refined version of yourself, emotionally, spiritually, and aesthetically, you're in the right place. There's one habit at the end of this video that almost no one talks about, but once you start doing it, you'll notice people lean in when you speak. It's habit number 7, and it changed how I carry myself completely. And by the end of today's video, you'll not only learn what makes a woman truly unforgettable, you'll feel inspired to embody these habits quietly, beautifully, and with grace. And yes, all my favorite elegant products are linked below, along with my new ebook, Return to Elegance, which is already transforming so many of your lives. Make sure you check it out after the video. And before we begin, if you love becoming your best self in soft, graceful ways, subscribe. 70% of you watching right now aren't subscribed yet, and I promise every video here will elevate your world. And if you're ready to truly return to the woman you were created to be, my Return to Elegance ebook is waiting for you below. It's changing women's lives. Don't miss it, and let's turn this into a sisterhood moment. Leave a comment below with the habit that you believe makes a woman unforgettable. I'll be reading and replying personally this week. Ready? Let's begin. Habit 1. She moves like she has nowhere to prove. You know those women who walk like they're not in a rush, even when they are? Their posture is relaxed, yet upright. They don't swing their arms wildly or stomp down a hallway. They move like silk, like music, like they own time. Silent attraction begins with movement, because how you move is how the world interprets your self-worth. Old money women are taught from a young age. Never let the world see you scrambling. Even if everything is chaotic, elegance keeps its composure. You can start today by practicing a slower walk when entering a room, holding your hands softly, never clenched, and sitting with intention, as if the chair you chose is a throne, not just furniture. Small movement shifts, but big message. I am not rushed because I am rooted. Habit 2, her voice is her signature. You've heard the phrase, it's not what she said, it's how she said it. Well, elegant women speak like each word has been chosen with care. And it's magnetic. They don't whisper. They don't shout. They speak with calm certainty, like someone who doesn't need to prove she's right because she knows her worth. Old money elegance is not about sounding posh. It's about sounding poised. How to refine this? Speak slightly slower than those around you. Don't fill silences with nervous chatter. End your sentences with confidence, not questioning tones. And if someone interrupts you, pause, smile, and continue with grace. That silence, that's your power. Inside my Return to Elegance ebook, there's a full chapter on this called The Voice of an Elegant Woman, and the feedback from readers has been incredible. If you want to transform your presence without changing your wardrobe, start with your voice. Habit 3. She knows the power of micro etiquette. Classy women don't just know etiquette, they master the quiet rules, the little graces that make others feel at ease in their presence. It's not about showing off knowledge of forks and glasses. It's the way she waits for others to finish speaking before replying. The way she gently places her napkin, not tosses it. How she always thanks the waiter and never lets her phone sit on the dinner table. There's one elegant habit in particular that separates the unforgettable woman from everyone else. She never lets someone feel beneath her. True old money refinement doesn't scream status, it whispers respect. Even in luxury spaces, even when everyone's watching, she carries herself in a way that says, "Your position doesn't determine your dignity. I treat everyone with grace." And ironically, that's the kind of elegance that earns the most respect, without ever needing to ask for it. Comment below, what's one little etiquette habit you love seeing in others? Let's start a beautiful list together. Habit 4, she has a private fragrance ritual. Let's be honest, the most unforgettable women usually have a scent, not a strong head-turning one, but a soft trace of something warm, feminine, and expensive. Here's the difference. She doesn't spray it on her clothes. She layers it like a ritual. First, a soft-scented body oil after the shower. Then, a matching deodorant or body cream. Then, just 1 or 2 delicate sprays of perfume behind the ears, the wrists, and sometimes behind the knees. She never announces her fragrance. She leaves it behind, like a signature, a memory, a whisper. One of my current favorites is linked below. It smells like rose petals met a cashmere sweater in Paris. And for those asking, yes, my elegant towel set, my favorite body oils, and even my silk robe are all in the description. Fragrance is not hygiene, it's presence. And once you build your own signature ritual, people will begin to associate you with a feeling. Habit 5, she never loses her composure in public. This one is harder than it looks, but it's the cornerstone of old money elegance. The silently unforgettable woman never makes a scene. You won't catch her arguing at the airport, complaining at a restaurant, or crying loudly on Instagram. Not because she's emotionless, but because she's emotionally anchored. If she feels disrespected, she handles it with calm clarity, not chaos. If something disappoints her, she'll process it privately, not perform it publicly. And if she needs to cry, she knows how to disappear gracefully and return with dignity intact. Why? Because her power doesn't come from reactions. It comes from restraint, and that's what keeps her mysterious, untouchable, respected. Let's talk. How do you stay composed in moments of frustration or heartbreak? Share your tips in the comments. You might inspire another woman silently struggling. And inside my Return to Elegance ebook, there's a chapter called Emotional Restraint as Inner Beauty. And I poured so much healing into that one. If you've ever felt like your emotions make you feel too much, that chapter is for you. Habit 6, she protects her feminine energy without hardening herself. We live in a world that constantly pushes women to toughen up. But quietly unforgettable women, they've learned a deeper art, protecting their softness without losing it. They set boundaries. They say no to chaos. They distance themselves from people who drain or diminish them. But they don't become cold, sarcastic, or defensive to survive. Because elegance isn't about being untouchable. It's about being so grounded that no one can shake your peace. You'll see it in the way she handles gossip. She doesn't join. In how she responds to rudeness, with a simple smile and a quiet exit. In how she nurtures her inner world. Not from a place of fragility, but from discernment. True feminine energy doesn't shout or fight to be heard. It simply glows. And when you protect that glow, you don't need to prove anything. Want to go deeper? There's a chapter in the Return to Elegance ebook called The Strength to Stay Soft. It's helped so many women feel safe being feminine again, even after hurt. The link is below if your heart needs it. Habit 7, she has an evening ritual that restores her glow. If you've ever seen a woman who just radiates softness the next day, there's a high chance she ended the night in peace, not scrolling endlessly, not falling asleep in old pajamas under fluorescent lights, but in quiet beauty. Classy women romanticize their evenings. They turn a regular shower into a mini spa. They light a candle, sip calming tea, and reflect, not just scroll. One woman told me she spritzes a soft lavender mist on her pillow every night. Another applies body oil with slow, intentional movements while listening to classical music. And you can start small. Put on a silk robe, light one candle, say one prayer of gratitude, and simply let the day release from your body. Because how you end your day is how you rise the next. I'll link some of my favorite evening luxuries in the description. The calming oils, soft robes, and even the glass teacup I love. They aren't just products, they're invitations back to yourself. Comment below. What's one evening ritual that makes you feel feminine again? Let's make the comments section a bouquet of soft night routines. Part 8. She keeps her beliefs classy, even online. A silently attractive woman never argues loudly on social media or spills her private life to strangers online. Even when her values are different, she knows discretion is her strength. She may unfollow, block, or distance herself quietly, but she won't waste her grace arguing with the internet. This restraint is rare and deeply respected. It reflects that she values her peace more than being right, and that calm energy, it's magnetic. Part 9. She uses the 3-second mirror rule. Before entering a room, she quickly checks herself, not obsessively, but intentionally. Hair smooth, shoulders back, posture soft but tall, breath in, smile. She understands that her entrance sets the tone, so she silently recalibrates herself before showing up. This small moment of self-check creates the aura of composure. It says, I'm aware, I'm present without a word. So tell me, which one of these silently attractive habits are you already doing? And which one are you starting today? If you're ready to return to elegance fully, don't forget to download my Return to Elegance ebook below and subscribe, darling. This isn't just a channel, it's your soft, luxurious life unfolding. One silent glow up at a time. Elegance isn't loud, it doesn't rush, and it doesn't need to explain itself. The most captivating women I've ever met didn't announce their glow. You felt it. It lingered in the softness of their voice, the quiet confidence in their posture, the care they took with themselves, and the calm they brought into every room. Because true allure, it's built in private, with silk towels and whispered prayers, and the decision to hold yourself like someone worth admiring, even when no one's watching. If you've forgotten how good it feels to be a woman, let today be your return. Start with one of these habits. Then watch how the world responds to your softness like flowers turning toward light. If this video stirred something in you, the Return to Elegance ebook was created for your soul. Inside, you'll find chapters on soft power, feminine rituals, emotional beauty, elegant voice and presence, and the silent lifestyle shifts that change everything. It's not just a book, it's a guide back to the woman you were born to be. Tap the link below to begin your journey. Tell me in the comments, which of these habits made you feel most like yourself again? I read every comment, and your words help shape the sisterhood of softness we're building here. If you're craving more peace, poise, and quiet power in your life, you belong here. Tap subscribe, join this beautiful community, and don't miss next week's video. It's going to be something special.